At dawn, as the first light breaks through the mist over the fields, the village wakes up. Surrounded by hills and green landscapes, it's a place where time feels slow and life follows a natural rhythm. However, beneath its peaceful appearance, the village is filled with daily struggles. From the quest for clean water that begins with every sunrise to the fight against the persistent shadows of poverty and disease, the villagers face an array of problems. Education, a beacon of hope for the future, remains out of reach for many, while access to basic healthcare is a distant dream. The land they farm, which has supported generations, often produces less due to environmental damage and climate change. In this village, every face tells a story, and every story echoes a collective yearning for a better tomorrow. Acknowledging the urgent need for sustainable solutions and compassionate help, EKI launched the empowerment of rural community through Integrated Village Development Program under its CSR initiative in collaboration with Samarthan.
It was during EKI's Clean Cooking Initiative as a part of our community-based environmental projects that I had a chance to visit the extreme rural and tribal areas of India. This is when I realized smoky kitchens was one issue, but they didn't even have clean drinking water facility. Little children were dropping out of the schools. Agricultural lands were in disarray. We decided that we had to do something about it.
In the midst of countless villages awaiting development, we began the journey of rural empowerment with 3 villages of Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh: Badia, Mandavada and Hirapur. Despite the hardships, the people here smiled through life. As we followed their routine, we identified that one of the major challenges being faced by the community was the availability of safe water.
पानी या गर्मी में बहुत दिक्कत पड़ती है ढोरों को, मनुष्य उनको पिलाने के लिए बहुत परेशान। हमारे पीने में भी तो बस जाओ फिर 1-1.5 किलोमीटर दूर जाओ कुएं पे, 1-1.5 किलोमीटर। जैसे मान लो कभी पास वाला कुआं सूख गया तो फिर और दूसरे कुएं पे जाओ।
पानी नहीं था, गर्मी के कपास कैसे लगा लेते, गेहूं नहीं पकते थे तो कपास कैसे लगाते, पानी पीने के नहीं मिलते थे सर।
Our team dedicatedly solved the casing and mud filling issues in the borewells of Patelpura and also supported a water tank with a capacity of 5,000 litres, resulting in improved access and availability to safe water in the community. We have also accomplished the desiltation of earthen ponds and dams that has resulted in the rejuvenation of water bodies, resulting in increased capacity of water storage.
वो क्या है कि पहले कुआं हमारा बस 2 पानी देने के बाद कुआं सूख जाता था, मोटर सूख जाते थे। अभी वही कुआं हमारा गर्मी में 5 की मोटर चल रही, वही सूखा कुआं। वो स्थिति हमारी तालाब से हमारा फायदा।
The silt has been spread across the fields, while the gravel has been used for constructing roads. That has significantly helped in strengthening the connectivity within the villages. Taking a step further, we also planted the seeds of a greener India in the young minds and conducted plantation activities across the schools. This activity not only contributed towards environmental conservation but also instilled a sense of responsibility amongst the children.
ये सब हम विद्यार्थी ने लगाए, हमारे फ्रेंड ने, और अपने अपने नाम के एक पौधे।
None of us can deny that these young and enthusiastic minds are the future of our nation. But an alarming matter of concern in these villages was the poor access to education and health facilities. With the goal to improve the state of rural education, we identified the number of school dropouts and surveyed the condition of educational facilities across the 3 villages.
हमारा जो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र है असाक्षर लोग बहुत ज़्यादा है, लिटरेसी में बिल्कुल पिछड़े हुए हैं, वो बच्चों को कंटिन्यू नहीं पहुंचा पाते।
By carrying out counseling sessions that emphasized on the importance of education and conducting coaching classes for the students, the quality of education has seen a significant improvement. Smart TV systems have been installed across the schools, resulting in a significant reduction in the dropout rates and notable increase in students' academic engagement.
पहले पढ़ने में दिक्कत होती थी, अब स्मार्ट क्लास हो गई तो हमको जो नहीं आता वो स्मार्ट टीवी में देख लेते और हमको पढ़ने में आसानी होती है.
Along with the electrification and painting work, learning has become a lot more fun than ever before. Despite the limited availability of resources, the people here had a zeal and intellect to work hard. We realized that the people here longed for greater livelihood opportunities. Acknowledging the need of enhanced income opportunities in these 3 villages, we organized awareness and training sessions about the animal husbandry that primarily supported the self-help groups and helped develop their own business plans alongside farming. We trained the farmers of Batia, Mandavada and Hirapur in drip irrigation and engaged them in sustainable agricultural practices by demonstrating integrated pest management practices.
समर्थन संस्था द्वारा एंकिंग प्रोग्राम के द्वारा हमको जैविक दवाइयाँ बनाने के लिए बताया गया है सर. उसमें 10 पत्ती आर्क दवाई बनाए, नीम अस्त्र बनाया और कंडा टॉनिक बनाया और जीवामृत बनाया, कड़ी सड़ी छाछ बनाई, महुआ पानी बनाया और 4 चटनी बनाई.
Along with the installation of 100 Azola beds, our staff and Pashu Sakhi have trained women in livestock management that promoted cost-effective nutrition practices and enhanced livestock productivity.
मेरे गांव में समर्थन संस्था एंकिंग प्रोग्राम द्वारा हमको ये अजोला बेड दिया. उसमें अजोला डालने से बकरियों का दूध बढ़ता है, बकरियों का वजन बढ़ता है और भैंस का भी दूध बढ़ता है. हमको पता नहीं था पहले कि इसको खिलाने से दूध बढ़ता है या नहीं बढ़ता, पर अभी सर हमने इसका प्रैक्टिकल करके देखा तो इसका दूध बढ़ता है सर.
The project has also facilitated the establishment of 5 poultry chick sheds, enhancing chick development within women-run poultry enterprises. In addition, we made sure that the 2 biogas units and the 3 bioresource centers in these villages were operating properly, that empowered their economic independence. To promote a shift towards organic farming, we have lent a helping hand to 100 farmers in setting up vermicomposting beds across the 3 villages, promoting self-reliance in fertilizer production, which has cut down the usage of costly chemical alternatives, thereby enhancing environmental health.
तो इस एफर्ट से हम लोग सस्टेनेबल फार्मिंग को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और उसके साथ ही जो हमारे किसान जो भाई हैं उनके लिए भी मदद हो रही है. उनका प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी भी सुधर रही है, उनकी सॉइल भी सुधर रही है और उनकी एक आर्थिक स्थिति, आर्थिक रूप से भी एक मदद हो रही है.
The program has also ensured that the community has access to flour mills and seed machines. These machineries not only save time but also physical labor, positively impacting their livelihoods. The funds have also helped in strengthening the villages digitally by setting up digital kiosks in collaboration with local residents.
एनकिंग प्रोजेक्ट के माध्यम से मुझे MP ऑनलाइन ओपन करने का मौका मिला. पहले जब फोटोकॉपी और MP ऑनलाइन से संबंधित जो भी कार्य करवाना होता था उसके लिए मतलब 8 किलोमीटर दूर जाना पड़ता था और अभी है तो मतलब यहीं पे करवाना पड़ रहा है और पैसों की भी बचत हो रही है. जैसे कि पहले जाते थे तो 100 रुपये लगते थे और अब यहीं पे करवा रहे हैं तो मतलब ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं लगते. एक फ़ोटोकॉपी के 2 रुपये लगते हैं और वहाँ पे जाते थे तो आने जाने का इन सब का ज़्यादा खर्चा लगता था.
Our capacity building programs and training sessions for the adults have been successful in raising community awareness on crucial issues like health, education and livelihood. The program has instilled confidence among the villagers and has resulted in a 30% increased active participation in village assemblies and discussion of the village issues. In March 2023, when we embarked on this journey of transformative exploration of rural India, we believed in the power of small initiatives that would have big impacts. Today, as we celebrate local ingenuity, we have stories of empowerment to tell. We believe that the empowerment of rural communities is not just changing lives, but shaping futures, illuminating the path towards a brighter, more inclusive and sustainable India.